Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as I show you how to divide Cranesbill Geranium. So let's go. Cranesbill Geranium is a perennial here where I live in New Hampshire Zone 5B. Now don't confuse this perennial geranium with the annual geranium that you normally would buy and put in your landscape or in pots and usually doesn't survive harsh winters. And there is another type of perennial geranium that I've shown in a previous video, and I'll put a link to that video down in the description below. But today's video is specifically going to be talking about Cranesbill Geranium. I have this geranium here on the west side of my house, only on one side of my flower bed. What I want to do is create the same pattern on the other side of the flower bed. And rather than go shopping and buying more of this plant, I'd rather just divide the plants that I have. Normally you want to divide this type of perennial in the spring or in the fall months. However, since I'm working on a bunch of different projects in my yard right now, this is a good time for me to be doing this project. The big thing is I just need to make sure I'm giving it ample water daily so that the roots can establish themselves. So you can see the pattern on this side of the flower bed. And I did actually cut back these geraniums pretty hard. So I'll put a link to that video down in the description below. And they're actually reflushing with new growth. But as we move towards the other side of the flower bed, this is where I'm planning to add more of this perennial. Now keep in mind, I will be edging this flower bed out later at some point. I'm not sure when that is. But until then, I want to at least divide the geranium and move it in this area. I'll be using a large shovel to dig out this geranium. However, you don't need to dig out your geranium if you don't want to. If you want to just divide one section of it off, you could always take your shovel and you could just push down on your shovel and cut out a section at a time as you need to. But I'm going to dig it out and I'm going to show you how I divide it that way. The first thing I want to do is move away the mulch because I don't want to make a mess since I did put down mulch in this flower bed recently. And when it comes to digging, you never want to dig right at the crown or at the base of the plant. You don't want to damage your plant. You want to dig at least 1 to 2 inches away from the base of your plant. So the first thing you want to check for after you've dug out your plant is see if you can easily tease apart any of the pieces. And you can see that this plant is able to tease apart into separate pieces. So that right there is one really nice division of this plant. That's another nice division. I mean, look how big that is. And we got a couple more. So check it out. We just turned that one plant into 4 plants. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just go ahead and put this plant back in this space here. You want to make sure you get all the roots beneath soil level. Just don't bury the crown of your plant. You want to make sure that's above soil level. We're going to push the soil back around the base of the plant. Push down. Now we're going to push our mulch back. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I give this plant plenty of water, and I'm going to plant the other 3 pieces of geranium in my new area of the bed. So I went ahead and I planted the 3 plants on this side here. I'm going to keep doing the same process. I'll keep dividing more plants, moving them along on this side. And on a future date, I'll edge out this bed more, move these plants out more, but at least this project has started, the part of dividing the Cranesbill geranium. You can really save a lot of money just by dividing plants in your own landscape. After all, it's healthier for the plants. Generally speaking, most perennials like to be divided every 3 to 5 years in order for them to be healthy and in order for them to bloom prolifically. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly hit the like button. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.